Remove blackheads at home, safely and naturally, without hurting your skin. 1. Steam treatment. Open the pores. Boil some water and take steam for 5 to 10 minutes. It helps open clogged pores so blackheads can come out easily. After steaming, gently wipe your nose with a soft towel. R. Don't use sharp tools or nails. 2. Honey and lemon mask. Mix 1 teaspoon honey plus a few drops of lemon juice. Apply on the blackhead area, especially nose. Leave for 15 minutes, then rinse with warm water. Honey cleans pores, and lemon kills bacteria. 3. Baking soda scrub. Mix 1 teaspoon baking soda plus water to make a paste. Gently rub on the nose for 1 to 2 minutes. Wash with lukewarm water. Do this only 1 to 2 times a week, not daily. 4. Aloe vera gel. Apply fresh aloe vera gel on the nose at night. It helps reduce oil and tightens pores. Wash off in the morning. 5. Charcoal or clay mask. Use a charcoal or clay face mask once a week. It pulls out oil and impurities from deep inside pores.